What if I told you your medicine cabinet is actually your kitchen? Yes, the food you eat every day doesn't just fill your stomach. It talks to your body, repairs damaged cells, and even supports specific organs naturally. Ancient healers believed it, and modern science confirms it. Pineapple for your joints, carrots for your eyes, tomatoes for your heart, and walnuts for your brain. This isn't a coincidence, it's biological intelligence. Welcome back to Topic Toss, the channel where science meets simple living. Today's episode is special because once you watch till the end, you'll never look at food the same way again. Stay with me because the last food on our list will definitely surprise you. So, why is food is medicine real science? The human body is made of trillions of cells, and every single one needs nutrients to survive. Modern research shows that certain foods activate specific biochemical pathways and natural compounds interact directly with our organs and hormones. Whole foods can reduce inflammation, oxidative stress, and cell damage. Hippocrates, the father of medicine, once said, "Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food." At Topic Toss, we break this science into easy, practical knowledge. Now let's explore how nature designed foods to heal specific parts of your body. First up, pineapple for joint support. Pineapple isn't just a sweet fruit, it's a natural anti-inflammatory weapon. It contains bromelain, an enzyme proven to reduce joint pain and swelling, improve arthritis symptoms, and support recovery after injuries. Bromelain works by breaking down inflammatory proteins in the joints. So, if you suffer from knee pain, stiff joints, or exercise soreness, adding fresh pineapple to your diet can help, naturally. Next, let's talk about carrots and eye health. Ever heard the saying carrots help you see better? That's not a myth. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for night vision, protecting your retina, and preventing dry eyes. In fact, a lack of vitamin A is one of the leading causes of vision problems worldwide. Just one carrot a day provides powerful nourishment for your eyes. Nature really knew what it was doing. You're watching Topic Toss. If learning about science through food excites you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's move on to number 3, pomegranate, the blood purifier. Pomegranate seeds look a bit like blood cells, and guess what? They help clean your blood. They're rich in polyphenols, antioxidants, and nitric oxide boosters. These compounds improve blood circulation, reduce bad cholesterol, and protect your arteries from damage. Studies even show that pomegranate juice can reduce plaque buildup in the arteries. Your heart and blood vessels absolutely love this fruit. Number 4 is the sweet potato for pancreas support. Your pancreas is crucial for controlling blood sugar and insulin. Sweet potatoes are low on the glycemic index, high in fiber, and packed with antioxidants. This means they help stabilize blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and can reduce the risk of diabetes. Unlike refined carbs, sweet potatoes feed your cells slowly and steadily. A smart carb equals a healthy pancreas. Number 5. Tomatoes for heart health. Tomatoes are loaded with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps lower bad cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and protect your heart tissues. And here's a fun fact. Cooked tomatoes actually release more lycopene than raw ones. Your heart beats over 100,000 times a day. Tomatoes help keep it strong. Coming in at number 6 is ginger, for stomach health. Ginger has been used in medicine for over 2,000 years. It helps reduce bloating, improve digestion, calm nausea, and fight gut inflammation. Science confirms that ginger stimulates digestive enzymes and improves gut movement. A healthy stomach means better immunity, mood, and energy. Number 7. Walnuts for brain function. Look closely at a walnut. It looks just like a tiny human brain. Coincidence? Not really. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and polyphenols. These nutrients are proven to improve memory, support brain cells, and reduce age-related cognitive decline. It's like you're feeding your brain the shape it recognizes. Next up, at number 8, we have grapes for healthy lungs. Grapes contain resveratrol, a compound known to reduce lung inflammation, protect against asthma triggers, and improve oxygen exchange. Studies show that grapes also support the elasticity of your lung tissue. Breathing better really can start with eating better. Number 9 is beetroot, for liver detox. Your liver works 24/7 to filter toxins from your body. Beetroot helps by increasing bile flow, reducing oxidative stress, and supporting liver enzymes. That deep red color comes from betalains, which are powerful detox compounds. A cleaner liver means clearer skin, better digestion, and more energy. And finally, number 10, beans for kidney health. Beans, especially kidney beans, are high in plant protein, magnesium, and fiber. They help regulate blood pressure, reduce strain on the kidneys, and maintain your body's fluid balance. Healthy kidneys are essential for keeping your body clean and balanced. Your body is not broken, it's waiting to be nourished. Food is not just calories, food is information, food is medicine. Start small. Try adding one of these healing foods to your diet each day. Be consistent and let nature do the work. This is Topic Toss, where knowledge becomes power. Comment below and let me know which food surprised you the most. Like this video if you learned something new, and subscribe because our next video will blow your mind. Until next time, eat smart and live strong.